truffle chip. Kind of salty though. Hey guys, it's Xena here. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. And today I'm going to be talking to you guys about MunchPak. As you guys already may or may not have seen, I've been doing this monthly subscription box of snacks, and the one that I signed up for was called MunchPak. And every month this company sends you a little box of snacks, and it's a surprise, it's a mystery. It's just a random selection that they choose, they think that you might enjoy. So I'm going to show you what this box looks like. This is the mini pack. This is what it comes in looking like, and it comes pre-packaged in this cute little box. Has MunchPak written on the side, and I'm so excited that I get to show you guys what's in this box with me. So there we go. So what am I going to use to open this? Tweezers, good enough. Okay, and this is box number 3. This one is featuring snacks from Chile, Spain, Japan, and one more apparently. Or maybe more. Oh, this one's already gonna be good. I already can tell. There's 5 snacks in the mini box. Looks like there's a good combination of sweet and salty again. So that's super exciting because the first box was majority sweet. The first item I'm gonna show you is called Torres. And it's a black truffle chip. It's a black truffle chip. So it comes in a little package just like this. It has the brand name up top and then a picture of the black truffle and the chip. In the description, it says that these crunchy, rich, salty, sweet, and savory chips from Torres are nothing like you've ever had. They have just the right amount of truffle flavor and leave a perfect aftertaste. I'm really interested in how this is going to turn out. Here goes nothing. So this is what the chip looks like. The bag is pretty full actually, considering it's a pretty small bag. It's not like half air or anything. These look like kettle cooked chips, but they're supposed to have a truffle aftertaste. These really do have truffle aftertaste. These are really good. I would do this all day. These are kind of salty though. 170 milligrams of sodium. That's why. Okay, on to the next. So the next one I'm going to show you guys is Nutella Bee Ready. It's from Poland, and the description on these is, these crisp and crunchy wafers filled with Nutella cream are the perfect way to get your Nutella fix on the go. So you better be ready for the taste experience. Okay, I've never seen this in Nutella form. It reminds me of those little Asian snacks, the yam yams. It comes in like a little cup and you have to rip it off to take out the breadsticks and dip it into like the chocolate or the white chocolate. This reminds me of something that's similar. Oh, this is not what I've expected. Comes in a little cardboard and then it's wrapped in 2 more pre-packaged little things. So if you don't feel like eating 2 of them, you can just have 1. That's awesome. Okay, so it comes in a little package like this and you pull it out and it's like a big breadstick. It has little ends stamped up all over it. Do you break this? Oh, wow. This is definitely, I thought it was a cookie or a breadstick, but it is really light and flaky. If you're allergic to hazelnuts, you probably shouldn't eat this because that's what Nutella cream is, but this is like a big wafer that has the Nutella cream sandwich in between. I'm gonna take a bite in the middle. You can see all of the cream in the middle. This is good. The next thing I'm going to show you guys. This is from Germany, and it's called Brit Smoothie, strawberry and raspberry, apple and currant, or coconut and passion fruit. Brit is back with all the new flavors, and it's described as Brit Smoothie. That's the name. Brit is back with all new flavors blended together in a sweet smoothie style chew. These flavors come together for a balanced treat with tart, sweet, and exotic notes in every bite. I wonder which one I got. It looks like I got the strawberry and raspberry one. So this is the packaging. Pretty big. I'm kind of surprised with that. Whoa, it's not what I expected. So this looks like a big version of like a pack of gum, but it comes pre-wrapped like this as well. It comes in like an outer packaging. And look at these. This is a little weird. I wasn't expecting packaged gum in max size. But let's open one of these. It says fruit all over the front. That reminds me of juicy fruit. This is what it looks like. It's just little indentations that separate each individual thing to break off of. This kind of reminds me of an Airhead, but with lime. But let's see if it tastes that way. It's really soft and bendy, so it's not hard. I'm gonna try taking one of them off. That wasn't hard. It tastes like a sweet tart, but in flappy tag form. If you're in the mood for something chewy and sticks to your cheek, this is it. So there's 2 more things that I have to show you guys. The next one I'm gonna show you is from Japan. It's called Premium Umaibo, Mozzarella, and Camembert. I'm not sure what that is, but it is a savory and crunchy corn stick that's packed with delicious cheesy flavors like mozzarella, camembert, and that's a perfect anytime treat. I don't know what camembert is, but I'm about to find out. This is what it looks like. It does not come in a little tray, so let's open this up and see what it looks like. Okay. So I just took it out. It kind of looks like a big old corn, but without all the little kernels on the outside. So it's just like the middle of the corn that you throw away after you're done eating it. It looks like it's really crunchy, and there's a hole in the middle. Kind of looks like a straw. Definitely taste the cheesy part. I still don't know what camembert is, but I'll definitely find out.
So camembert cheese is a soft surface ripened cheese. It has a thin layer of grayish white rind and a yellow interior.
It's not bad. Definitely taste the mozzarella, but I'm not sure if that's what it's supposed to taste like in a cookie form or in a snack form. I just don't really understand what is going on. Asian snack where they try to improvise cheese into something, but it doesn't really taste like Americanized snacks like Cheez-Its or Goldfish. It kind of tastes like a Cheeto dust, if that makes sense. Not my favorite. I'd rather have the salty truffle chips, but that's just my opinion. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back in here so I don't make a mess. Kind of see how messy it is because all the Cheeto dust is on here. Bruh. Last but not least, this snack is from Italy. So it's called Duchetto Cookies and Cream Wafer Bites, and it's crafted expertly with and this snack is crisp and creamy wafer cookies and premium ingredients to create an indulgent and sweet tooth satisfying snack. I'm really hoping this tastes like cookies and cream. So this is what the package looks like. Pretty plain and simple. This is a vanilla cream filled cookie. So the outside is chocolate. Kind of reminds me of a Scooby snack or something. Oh, this is really wafery and light. The cream in the middle isn't overbearingly sweet. This is good. I like it. It's a good snack that you just pop in your mouth. Comparing with Oreos, or this tastes more like a wafer with the Oreo cream in the middle. This is good though. It's very subtle. Not overly powerfully sweet. It's just a good on-the-go snack. Yum. I think out of the 5, I like this one the most. Even though I really like salty snacks, I'm actually taken by surprise. I really do like this one. It's a bite-sized cookie, which I like because that means no mess. So comparing like the Nutella one, kind of had to break apart. It was a little messy. Pieces fly everywhere. I kind of like this better because you can pick at it and feel like you're still not doing yourself, and you're doing yourself a favor by keeping everything clean. Italy, you did good. I'm gonna have another chip, balance myself out. Alright guys, so that was the end of the review of my 3rd MunchPak box, and can't wait to show you the next one whenever that comes in. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite and which one you think would taste the best. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell to be notified every time I do upload. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye guys!